This is Hey, anybody want cheese? Guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the channel. This is now part 2 of we've dubbed this the Garbage Con. And, well, we're going to show you why it's the Garbage Con. Let's go for a walk. Ugh. It smells like somebody died in there. This is why we're getting into the Garbage Con. Yum yums. We got garbage everywhere in here. We'll come around to the back, and this is probably the coolest feature to me. This is by far the coolest feature. 2007, they still had this technology. Well, they shouldn't say they had this technology. And it still works. If anyone's looking for cranberry sauce, we have a fresh can for you. It's just literally left garbage everywhere. That might be a Tyvek suit there. I'm not sure. Oh no, a shop vac filter. Yeah, we're not going to use that. Anybody needs a juice pack? We got one. Plan for this episode today is we're going to get all the garbage out of the Garbage Con and get a good taste of what's going on in here. Because one thing I noticed. Oh wait, that's not a good version of it. Let me go over to the other side. This is where it gets exciting. And it smells like nothing but pee. So I have some urine remover. That's what we're going to be using on this one that I didn't have for the Suburban. Urine remover. And we're going to need a lot of it. Let's not waste any time. We're gonna get in this thing. Let's get the garbage out of it, dude. Let's get the garbage out.
Wait. Hold on a second.
What?
Shouldn't you be in a biohazard suit or something like that?
You're right.
There's a lot of garbage and scummy stuff in there. You might
remember how we did the Vivor heater?
Yeah.
And we did the movie magic.
Yeah, movie magic.
You remember that?
Yep.
We're gonna do it again now. I'm gonna be fully protected in 3, 2, 1. Boom. That's it.
That's cool.
What do you think, huh?
That's pretty cool. I don't know how you keep doing that.
It's movie magic. I'll never reveal my secrets. So now I think I'm protected enough. I'm not wasting any more time. I'm getting right in this thing, and well, let's get all the garbage out of it. Well, my cameraman's going to come in a little closer, and we're going to get a better in-depth look of what we got to get into here. This is bad. Disgusting. That's all the stuff that was up underneath the dash. There's wiring that's been chewed. We're going to go to the back real quick, and then you can get a good look at the foam. Okay, this is where we're going to get started. I'm actually going to probably take the third row out of this. So let's get all this gunk out. They chewed the dustpan. All right. Oh my God. Well, that's a good sign. That does. Oh, that's not good. Because none of this wants to release. That's all mouse poop. Oh my God, they filled this thing. I'm telling you, this is kind of mind-blowing that this vehicle was taken off the road back in December and it's this bad already. Kind of actually disturbing to think about. Oh, look, a sock. That got messed up. That's got to go in the metal pile. I still might get the shop vac out. All right, we're going to reposition and get around to the middle row because I think back here's done. Well, they chewed the seatbelt as I figured because that's where it should be, which means that the mouse highway was right here going up into the headliner. Well, there's the buckle. I don't think we'll need that, but we'll save it just in case. That's some big mouse poo. I have a feeling there were rats in here. I swear to God, if I find a dead rat in this thing, I'm going to end up burning it. There was a reason why I ozone this thing. I'm going to eventually get the shop back in here and suck all this stuff up. Well, this will be the first time I've sat in it. I mean, I'll say it is comfortable. Jesus. I'm going to have to get the vacuum out for some of this. Disposable gloves. Oh my God, there's gummies in here. I'll be curious if I can save the carpet, to be honest with you. These, there is a fix for these, so they'll actually sit where they're supposed to. I'm hoping that the leather's not totally ruined. All right, let's get moved up to the front, I guess. This is, hey, anybody want cheese? God only knows how long that's been in there. I'll give you all the money in my pocket right now, Rob, to eat that.
I'm good.
You sure?
I'm going to take a hard pass. I'm going to respectfully decline.
Okay. All right, well, get the rest of this garbage out. What's that? The floor is so slimy. Throwing away a lot of money. All right, this goes on the floor. That's for that side. This is for over here. This, oh, I just lost that, didn't I? This makes me wonder what's wrong with the suspension. I'm pretty sure that's a tie rod end, and that's definitely a ball joint. This could be a lower ball joint. We're going to save those. I did find a power steering line, too, that was in the back that I'm wondering if it was leaking. They were going to do it, never did it, so that might get done. But I can tell you, sitting in this, I can honestly say the track is pretty gummy. The seat does work. The lumbar seems a little messed up, but the seat does work. It's stuck, so some of it doesn't work. But this is it's pretty comfy. I'm gonna kind of look forward to driving this. I think this will be nice when it's done. Luckily, the headliner's got to come out because all this is just. I'm not gonna make Rob stick his face in here because this is disgusting. But all right, we're gonna get repositioned. This is the last part. I got to pick up all the garbage, and then I'll figure out how I'm gonna get the camera set up because I'm gonna probably shop back some of this. I want to get some of it out of here, like the foam and stuff in the back, so I can get rid of some of the pee-pee smell. All right, guys, it's been a while. This is probably going to be it for this video. I'll get you in here, kind of show what we've made for progress. I mean, we've made some progress. I got the seats up. You can get a good look at that one seat and see how much of it's gone. I got to figure out what I'm going to do to fix that. I mean, it's better than it was. The foam's all gone. I'll take you to the back. I mean, that looks, I wouldn't say clean. It's just better because all the mouse poop's gone. There was definitely rats in this at some point. The droppings that I'm finding are way too large to be mouse droppings. So we've made some pretty good progress vacuuming. I still got to do this area, but I'm just going to do that off camera. I got to clean out the inside of the center console. There was a bunch of stuff up underneath the dash by the glove box. I got to take the dash off anyways because that's where the wiring's been chewed, but I guess that's going to be it for this video. So if you liked it, give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment, and when we come back in the next one, I'm planning on actually starting to rip the whole inside out of this truck. I know there's a bunch of mouse droppings up in the headliner. We're going to have to deal with that. I really need to clean everything thoroughly. The smell has improved a little now that I'm getting the mouse droppings out of here, but I wouldn't say it's great. So the key to all this is, remember, I bought the truck for $450. It's budget. I don't want to spend a lot. Robert and I broke down the numbers. We'll probably break it down in the end. The amount of time that I'm going to have into cleaning this would be just about breaking even if I was to sell it. So we'll see. But again, if you haven't already, subscribe, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment, and we'll catch you in the next one. What are you doing?
Where am I going to put it?
What are you doing with it?
I'm going to save it.
It's garbage. She's going to save it. What are you saving it for?
I'm going to make it into a tire flower bed. It's going to be a souvenir.
The garbage con has multiple purposes now.
It's going to be a souvenir for this.
That's the souvenir.
Adventure. We're going to put it under the maple tree.
This will be at the end for you guys. Smile for the camera.
Okay. You're good to go whenever you're ready.
I might just screw that up. Did I just screw that up?
Oh,
it's blue. It's still good.
is mine blue?
This is all for you guys at the end as usual. Okay, yours good. The plan for today is we're gonna get all the garbage out of here, but
Good.
Yep. All right, so let's not waste time. Let's just get right into this thing. Let's get it cleaned up. Rob, that's where you're supposed to say, shouldn't you be wearing your you sure you want to just be wearing that?
When do I say it?
When I say, all right, let's not waste any time, I start to turn.
Okay. Well, that's good because we got cars going by anyway.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Action.
Action-packed. Because I'm going to be fully protected as every car, I swear to God, drives by. Boom! Boom! Boom!